Oh, inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ne, mara it's okay, it's alright. Hello, Sanbonani fellow comedians. I say fellow comedians because I'm funny. Applications are officially open for the 4360 International Comedy Festival 2026 in Durban, South Africa. If you would like to apply as a performing comedian, please note the following important requirements. You must have a solid 20-minute English stand up comedy set. The festival audience is international, so the set must be performed in English. Please note, we will not be providing transport. Selected comedians will need to arrange and cover their own travel to Durban, South Africa. This is a professional international platform, so please apply only if you meet the requirements and are ready. Workshop applications are also open for those who want to develop their craft and understand the business of comedy. Closing applications are on the 3rd of March at 11:59 p.m. I will leave the application link in the description box down below. Guys, only apply if you are ready to perform on stage or if you need help with your craft. There is a workshop that you can also apply for. Applications are literally closing. Today is the 1st of March. Run, Kichiba. I will put everything in the description box down below, okay? Good luck to you. Ngiyamukela kwinkqubo yami bomntu abakadade bomntu abakagogo bomntu abaka-anti bomntu abakasisi. I am Sims and it's at right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Guys, yesterday was one of the most amazing days. Like the year begin. Oh, English, Angie, but Chinese. It was literally one of the most amazing times with my subscribers and management when we did our mental check-in events, right? A big shout out to everyone who sponsored tickets. A big shout out to my makeup artist who came and did my makeup for free. Keketo, your work is beautiful. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, senior management. Number three, thank you for everyone who took their time to show up for me because we had people coming from as far as Swaziland, Pretoria, all the way Eastern Springs, coming all the way to just come spend time with me. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Now, I just want to say this. Moving forward, I will no longer be sponsoring tickets, giving away free tickets to any of my upcoming events or anything that I will be doing. I will no longer be doing giveaways at all because I feel like people take advantage of kindness management. People went out of their way to sponsor free tickets. Okay, 5 people that won free tickets did not show up yesterday, did not come to the event. I only got one excuse when the event was starting. The rest just kept quiet. You deprived other people of winning tickets to my event. You misled me. And I said, can you come? Are you absolutely sure? I kept asking. And also, I will no longer also be putting tickets aside for people like, please, Sims, put a ticket aside for me. I will pay. Ning, ning, kai, kai. And then when it's time for you to pay, you also don't pay. I will no longer be doing that. No more kind gestures on my podcast. Ngizamile. This is the second time. Last year, I hosted a lunch and it was free on my part and I gave away a free ticket. Someone didn't show up when they won, and there were other people that could have came through. Izolo, five, 5 people did not show up, and already everything was already paid for. So I can't even ask for a refund. Almost 2,500 rands for people that did not show up. Like no remorse, no sorry, no nothing. Guys, ezinye izinto ziyaphoxa, ezinye izinto ziyabhora. You are depriving other people of a chance to come hang out and have a good time with us because when you say you're gonna come, respect me at least. Respect me at least. Tell me on time, Guti. No, Sims, please give my tickets away. I'm not gonna make it. Ngihloniphe. Respect management. Respect the sponsors. Respect our time. Respect catering. There was food left over. Yes, guys, it's also a logistical nightmare when you guys don't show up because we cater to numbers. We cater to numbers. I said that space can only accommodate 23 people, right? Food was catered for these number of people, drinks, whatever, for this number of people. You understand? And then I'll woozy for whatever reason that you don't come because you don't even have the the courtesy to tell me. I am so hurt. Like I am so hurt, and it hurts me because now this thing is overshadowing like my future plans for giveaways and whatever the management. I will not be doing any of that. Okay, I will not be doing any of that anymore. And my apologies to those that wanted to come and really did enter. And I said, unfortunately, you were a little bit too late. Some tickets I had already given away. I am sorry to you guys that wanted to come, but I couldn't give you tickets because people took tickets and then they didn't show up. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu. Over and above that, I just want to thank you guys for the love and the support that you have shown management. Moving forward, if there's an event, please pay for your tickets. Please pay. If you can't pay, askis, you'll watch pictures, you'll watch videos, you'll ask. But moving forward, please pay for your tickets and please pay. Angisabeki ama tickets on the side because also people that wanted me to put tickets on the side, they didn't show up nor care to pay for the tickets that they made me put aside. You made me say my event is sold out, knowing what you're not gonna pay. So also that I'm done. Like guys, I have to be this person today. I'm just in disbelief of how much people can disappoint us. Like abantu baphoxa Pro Max. Ngibonile izolo ukuthi abantu bayaphoxa. But that did not stop us from enjoying and having a good time. Thank you, Clantis. Thank you, Bongani, for being speakers at my event. You guys were so amazing. We've been writing this YouTube wave for years. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Like ngifuna angazi, like my guests, I got the gifts from my two guests. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Like ngiyabonga kakhulu, guys. Like like when I see you guys in person, you guys really feel like family to me. That's why like we always go to second location, guys. We had our event, then we went to second location, we went to watch soccer. We had such a great time. I thank you so much to everyone that showed up yesterday. It meant so much to me. I just left with a very painful heart and I had to get this off my chest. Tomorrow we'll be back to regular programming because there's a hot story brewing. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for taking your time to listen to me also. Thank you. And also making time. Guys, make a schedule for your content. Consistency. I come to your channel. You have a video this week. You have a video next week. You don't have a video for 3 months. You come back for 2 videos. You disappear for 6 months. Like 3 months. Like 3 months. Don't even explain further. Just switch off. Make time for your videos. Make time for your content. In as much as you make time for your friends, make time for groups, make time for this is you are investing in yourself. Consistency means showing up. No matter how you show up, you always show up. Actually, today I answer 1 hour. First I was at 2 minutes. The other day was at 30 minutes. Because consistency is not a straight line. Consistency is layers through. Let's just have my mind. You understand? So it doesn't. Today your video is 30 minutes. Thank you. You showed up. Your vlog tomorrow is 8 minutes. You showed up. And guess who you are disappointing? 50,000 channels that cannot. Disappointing yourself, my love. Because you wrote there, video every Wednesday at 12. It's Wednesday today. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, okay. Next, and I'm sorry, yes, I'm a subscriber. We are YouTube is Western TV.